The glaciers are not silent, they are screaming. Deep beneath the Antarctic ice, invisible fractures are forming, long before we can see them. By the time we detect them visually, it's already too late. But what if we could hear the collapse before it happens? What if we could decode the hidden acoustic signals of glaciers using artificial intelligence? Introducing Glacial Pulse, a machine learning system designed to predict ice shelf fractures using sub-zero seismic audio. We feed raw seismic signals into a custom deep learning architecture and isolate the rhythmic groans of shifting ice masses. The system transforms raw audio into spectrograms. A convolutional network extracts spatial patterns. While a transformer model captures temporal dependencies. Together, they detect early-stage fracture signals before visible cracks emerge. Here, normal glacier activity remains stable. But as stress builds, anomaly patterns begin to emerge. Until the system detects a high probability fracture event. This is more than a model. It's a step toward real-time planetary monitoring. From glaciers to earthquakes to global environmental collapse. This system is part of a larger vision, Global Hazard Intel, an AI platform for predicting environmental risks before they happen. The question is not if glaciers will collapse. The question is, will we detect it in time?